Hello, this is Ben Whyles and I'm just going to give you a brief overview on the Herbst gravel trailer, which is a unique trailer that we sell a good number of. So one here without the hopper extension and one with. Obviously considerably increases its capacity. That's just a plain hopper with a hydraulic shutter here for letting the material onto the belt, which is a hydraulic drive belt. Now this belt can be set to telescope out to the left or the right of the machine. You see that ram there pushes it out. That motor there, it's variable speed, so you can determine how far you throw the material off the end of the belt with the speed there. So coming round, you've got the standard agricultural tyre. There is an option for turf tyres, but you very rarely sell them on turf tyres, but that is an option if it's important to you. And yeah, so it's a simple piece of kit and well built, somewhat unique. There aren't many gravel trailers on the market, and we always try and keep them in stock here. So I hope this is of some use. And also you will notice on the other side of the hopper you've got a manual shutter, so you'd normally have a hydraulic controllable shutter just for the side which you're feeding the material out to, and that can be switched around. I hope this is useful and helpful. Thank you for watching.